Welcome to another trade recap where I'm day trading S&P futures on an Apex evaluation account. You can sign up for your own Apex account with my link in the description and use my coupon code for 50% off your first month and 50% off all recurring months. Not much to say about this trade. It met all my entry requirements, and I was even able to enter inside a balanced price range, which is when two opposite direction fair value gaps overlap with each other. I found that balanced price ranges tend to have a higher probability of acting as support, which thankfully is the case here. Price perfectly fills in the balanced price range and takes off. After seeing price start to struggle a little, I move up my stop loss to the new pivot low, and eventually just decide to scalp out after being satisfied with the big move. I had a feeling price would eventually hit my liquidity target, but didn't want to wait around or risk price reversing on me, as I'm focused on capital preservation this time around. I see another promising setup form, and initially hesitate as price seemed to be cutting through the fair value gap pretty quickly. I end up going for it though, because all my entry requirements were met, and if I'm to be consistent, I had to take trades if they meet my entry requirements, even if it doesn't feel good. Price nearly stops me out, but it finally does find support at around VWAP and starts to go my way. After moving my stop loss up to the new pivot low, I conservatively lower my profit target to the edge of a bearish fair value gap while still maintaining above a 1-to-1 reward to risk ratio, and I'm happy to scalp out for my second win in a row. Well, I guess winning those two trades in a row gave me a little too much confidence. Given the price action up until this point, it looked like it was going to be a bullish day, so I tried to follow the trend on a retracement entry inside another balanced price range. I knew that this entry was undisciplined because it ignored the rest of my entry rules, as there was no liquidity grab or market structure shift. I get punished for my lack of discipline here and get stopped out as price continues to plummet on this move down and actually shifts market structure to be bearish. As mentioned earlier, to maximize consistency, I really need to stick to the same setup for every trade, and I'll try not to deviate from my entry requirements going forward. Definitely regretted taking that last undisciplined trade, but I'm overall happy with today's trading results, and I'm also pleased that I still haven't broken any of my risk rules yet. Even with a strict one-loss limit, this evaluation account is still growing pretty consistently, and is now at 50,949, about a third of the way to the profit goal. This loss limit is also effectively limiting the total trades I'm taking, which is helping me get used to taking less trades, which is also making editing these videos a lot quicker. I gotta say, it feels like I'm also getting less tilted from taking my daily loss each day, and that urge to keep trading after taking a loss seems to be slowly going away. Still plenty of time for things to go wrong, but I'm feeling pretty good about these risk rules so far. As always, thanks for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe so you're notified of the next time I post a trade recap. In the meantime, I'll continue posting daily profit and loss updates in my channel's community tab.